Just wanted to give you a little background about my idea for the presentations, which would be to ask you to look through the online archives of The Crisis, the magazine of the NAACP from the 1920s and the 1930s. So there are two ways that you can go about looking through The Crisis. If you go to the Google Books link, you can browse through issues, but you can also, if you select any particular issue, search within all issues. So let's say you looked through February 1922 or not, and you'd like to find crisis issues that mention Langston Hughes. There are several that you will find in this set of search results, and probably you would want to go to a 1920s or 1930s version, obviously. And it's difficult because I find everything on every page pretty fascinating. So you will find a poem by Langston Hughes, for example, on page 160 in this edition. Sometimes there's just someone with the name Hughes. And here we have that particular poem. So another way that you can search The Crisis is if you go to the website for The Crisis from the NAACP, and you will see much more recent information, but they also have a link to the archives. And again, you can search all issues going through this way. But I encourage you just to do a little browsing and looking around and thinking about possible topics that might interest you, so that each of you can select an issue and tell us a little bit about it. And I will make a sample of what that might look like soon. Have a great weekend.